Okay, sorry about that. So we're inside the room now. You can see that the walls, it's done like the inside of a ship. There's the window. Right over here is the table with the chairs. And there you can see that this is your refrigerator and these are your drawers right here. So the boxes are your drawers. And right here, the barrel is your refrigerator. So you open up the barrel door and there's the fridge. It's really awesome. All right, and then right here you have the pirate themed beds, which are absolutely incredible. And then right there you've got the little barrel as your nightstand. You've got another pirate themed bed right here. You have the trunk right here for you to set your suitcases on. There's a shelf right there. And then right here is the curtain that you pull to go into the bathroom. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull that back right now and turn on the bathroom light here. So, all right, up there you can see it looks like the inside of a ship. And you look at the floor, it looks like you're in a ship. Right here are the double vanity sinks. You have plenty of room right there. Okay, awesome. Lots of room to get ready in the morning. And then right here is the shower and bathroom area. So there's the toilet, there's all the towels, there's your curtain. And then right here, it's got a seat in the shower. And then you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right here. You've also still got the clothes rack, the clothesline that you can reach across in case you need to wash anything out. So this has been a tour of Disney's pirate rooms at Caribbean Beach. They are amazing. Follow our adventures this week